Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide some block in DIVI. So, for example, we have this page and we want to remove this block, but keep it on the backend. So do not delete, just hide it. What would we do? Just click Enable Visual Builder. Okay. So after go to the block you want to hide. Here it is. So click on the column or on the section, doesn't matter. So we will click on the column and go to the Advanced tab. After that, find the Visibility tab and you will see three checkboxes: phone, tablet, and desktop. So just click the one you want to hide. We want to hide from all devices. Okay, it's a bit blurry, so all good. Let's check how it works on front end. Okay, the block disappeared, but it's still in the backend and you can continue work with it. Okay, by the way, if you want to have the best hosting for WordPress, I left a link in the description. Thanks for watching, subscribe, click link, like. Bye, have a good day.